Hello and welcome to a new video from Clever Diecast Cars. In today's YouTube video, you'll see 3 exciting car races in my miniature city, featuring modified Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars drifting through the track. There's also a diorama showcase with some interesting model cars. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start with a quick car race between a Hot Wheels and a Matchbox. Who do you think will win? A serious truck accident. Things like this happen from time to time in a miniature city. Luckily, the police cars and ambulances are quick to respond and help. Oh, what happened here? An accident? No, the Nissan has broken down and needs to be towed by a tow truck. Shall we watch another quick Hot Wheels race? 2 Corvettes going head-to-head. Now we're going to take care of the accident scene. We need to move the ambulance out of the way to make enough space for a tow truck. The truck needs to be towed. Shall we watch one more car race together with 2 fast Hot Wheels diecast model cars before we tow the truck? Oh, 2 Japanese cars. Can you recognize the brands? The races are over, and now it's time to take care of the truck and tow it away so the streets of my miniature city are clear again. After that, you can sit back and relax as I show you some interesting model cars in my DIY diorama. If you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like. And tomorrow, there will be new entertaining videos with lots of model cars and trucks right here on the Clever Diecast Cars YouTube channel.
Perfect.